Best pressures. While mechanical keyboards are trending among gamers and typists for their tactile feedback and custom layouts, pressure washers are becoming increasingly essential for homeowners and DIYers alike. As outdoor maintenance tasks pile up, more people are turning to electric pressure washers for powerful, water-efficient, and user-friendly solutions. In this guide, we evaluate the best models based on PSI power, GPM efficiency, design durability, included attachments, and overall value. List number: Sunjoe Electric Pressure Power Washer, 2030 PSI, PWMA certified, 1.2 GPM, dual soap tanks. The Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer is a solid, reliable performer for light to medium duty cleaning. Delivering 2030 PSI and 1.2 GPM, this PWMA certified washer offers efficient power for patios, cars, driveways, and siding. It includes dual detergent tanks, letting you switch between soaks easily for different cleaning needs. The 35 feet GFCI power cord and 20 feet hose provide ample range for large surfaces. The Total Stop System, TSS, automatically shuts off the pump when not in use, extending motor life. List new Foading 2025 upgraded electric pressure washer with adjustable touchscreen, 5,000 PSI, 3.3 GPM, 4 nozzles. The Foading 2025 upgraded electric pressure washer is a high-powered option designed for those who demand performance. With a staggering 5,000 PSI and 3.3 GPM, it tackles heavy-duty grime with ease. The adjustable touchscreen is a standout, allowing you to fine-tune pressure settings across 8 levels, ideal for switching from delicate surfaces to rugged concrete. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, a foam cannon, and a long hose for added flexibility. Whether you're cleaning fleet vehicles, large decks. List number: Electric Pressure Washer 5000 PSI Max, 3.6 GPM Power Washer, Touchscreen Adjustable Pressure. This 5000 PSI Max electric pressure washer brings unmatched pressure and flow for a wide range of heavy-duty applications. Featuring a touchscreen interface for real-time pressure control, this washer allows users to adjust output quickly to suit the task at hand. With a maximum of 3.6 GPM, it cleans faster and deeper than most entry-level washers. It comes with multiple spray tips, a foam cannon, and a sturdy design that resists tipping during use. The compact body paired with powerful specs. List number 4. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer, 2500 Max PSI, 1.76 Max GPM. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 combines smart engineering with powerful cleaning. With a maximum 2500 PSI and 1.76 GPM, it balances cleaning power with ease of use. The standout feature is the anti-tipping design. Its low center of gravity and 4-wheel structure make it incredibly stable and easy to move across various terrains. It's compact, but don't let the size fool you. It handles cars, decks, and home siding like a champ. It includes a 15-degree nozzle, soap applicator, and a reliable hose connection. List number: Electric Pressure Washer with foam cannon and 4 different pressure tips. To those looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution at an affordable price, this electric pressure washer with foam cannon hits the mark. While the brand isn't as well known, the solid build, multiple nozzles, and built-in foam cannon make it perfect for car detailing, furniture washing, and deck cleaning. It offers adjustable pressure levels suitable for everything from bikes to brick walls. The 4 pressure tips let you customize the spray pattern to your specific task, whether it's wide fan spraying or precision blasting.